Candace Carter Thoughts to Go. I'm looking at my table in the kitchen. I'm looking at a shadow. Shadows are rather strange things. Even when we speak of them, they're not always positive. The shadow side of so-and-so. And yet, there's the song, Me and My Shadow. They're reflections, small reflections of other things. And sometimes we don't even see them. And sometimes they become so beautiful. Now, I didn't plan to talk about boys anymore, and yet I think I'm making a guess that for him, the thought that each person is an artist also meant each person has the ability to see wonder, to see where beautiful things happen in daily life. I guess that's what I want to say, where you find out that it's wonderful to go on vacation, but the tree across the street may be just as impressive and interesting and important. So, I just come in the kitchen, I see this shadow, and I go, wow, look at that, look at that. And maybe that's what it's like. I mean, if you become, your soul becomes kind of like, if you become, I don't know how to say this. The artist in you allows you to see more, hear more, smell more, use your senses. And they're all there. And when something moves your heart, it moves. And everyone has the ability to this. And I think it was so wonderful, boys, that he so believed in this power of each person. It doesn't matter that not everything came true. That's what happens if you're a visionary. You have a vision, and some people pick up on it. But it's always carried on and may, like a plant, be in the ground for many years and then all at once be there again. Like my fig tree in my garden that lived there for many years with lovely green leaves, but only last year started producing figs. And I mean producing. So what it means is take time for the day. Take time for the wonders of the day. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm suggesting because it has an enhancing way for your life. Okay, that's it for now, friends. Take care.